Hello, Sam. Hello, Sam here from StudentIt. What we do is we help and support students in order to get into student accommodation and housing throughout the UK. And we're doing it for about 2.5 years when it's first starting its conception, and we're just growing every year. Today I want to talk to you about what you should take to university as a first year student. So imagine you are going this September and you need to know what to take. It's best to break it down into areas of the house and then focus and get a list. The easiest way is to do bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, living. And this is what I sort of broke it down into when I was a student, and it sort of helped me. So have a list, and those are going to be your headers. So in the bedroom, start off with your clothes, and then you think you don't take all your clothes, don't take your whole wardrobe. Basically what you need to do, or what they say, is you will use 20% of your clothes 80% of the time. So only take the ones that you really need, and then that means you don't have to transport as much there, and you don't have to transport as much back. It also gives you more space because you are going to need hangers. You don't know what size wardrobe you're going to get unless you've viewed it. And then you need to look at your bedding. Always take a mattress protector. Biggest tip I'll give anyone: always take a mattress protector. If they don't provide one, buy one. You never know what's happened on that mattress. You do not want to think what's happened. Just protect yourself at all costs. After that, you need to think about your bedding. So pillowcases, pillows, undersheets, duvets, covers, throws, anything like that you want to take. Think about the size you're going to need. Think about the quantity and how often you'll wash. You can then start to think about laundry baskets. You can then start to think about other things like that you want in your bedroom, and basically compile a list that you're going to need there. Move on to the kitchen, and then the problem here is your bedroom is everything that you're going to use. The kitchen, if you're living in a house, you don't want to take 5 sets of everything. So if you're going to take something and your friend's going to take the same thing and your friend's going to take the same thing, you could end up with like 5 kettles and you only need 1. So make sure you coordinate, make sure you know what's in the house. Most houses will already provide a kettle and a toaster and a microwave, those sort of basic things, but always check. After that, there's probably going to be utensils left there from previous students, but it's always best to take your own. And if it's going in the kitchen, be prepared to lose it. This may sound mental, but if there's 5 of you, it could get lost, it could get broken. It's a student house. Be prepared to not get it back. So don't go out there and buy really posh cutlery, because it might get lost and broken. But the things you might need are, nice forks, spoons, tin openers, ladles, spoons, pans, frying pan, saucer, those kind of things. Just try and get the bits that will cover everything. So, saucer's a good one, and, a decent sized frying pan. And then you can start to build out from there. Tin opener, everyone forgets. And after that, you can then go into the living room. What you need in the living room, it could be your Now TV, it could be your Netflix, it could be a laptop, it could be projectors if you want something like that in there. It could be a games console. All those kind of bits that you need to build it up. For us, we hooked up, when I was back at university, we hooked an Xbox 360 into a projector onto the wall, and we used to have a game night. And it was stuff like that. So when you're looking at sort of kitting your place out, some of the things that you do need to take, and I have written this in my blog, by the way, so it's all here. Don't forget the bathroom. One point not to forget. So there's kind of stuff that you're going to need: bath mat, towels. Take multiple towels, don't just take one, because when you put one in the wash, you're going to have to dry it, and then you're ultimately going to need a shower. And obviously, if you don't have a tumble dryer, you are then going to need to hang it out, and it does take a while. So make sure you've got a spare one of those. Shower gel, shaving foam if you're a bloke, deodorants, all that kind of stuff. Get it on a list, go down, see what you use day to day, and then start using that. Build up your list. Don't buy any food prior to moving there, because obviously it might go off. You can buy non-perishables, but then you have to transport it, whereas if you get an online delivery just sent to your house that you're moving into, 10 times easier. Especially if you coordinate this with your friends as well, you can have everything arrive on one day. If you don't want to go through the hassle of listing everything out, so just out on here, on our blog, there's bottle opener, mugs, glasses and wine glasses, shot glasses if you're interested, knives, forks, spoons, plates, bowls, casserole dish, small frying pan, and it goes on. You can get all of this packaged up. We partner with a company called Unikit and what they do is they will send you kitchen packages, bathroom packages and other bits like that. And they'll send it to your door on a day that you want it and arrive, and then it will come nicely packaged. Open it up and then spread it out in your room. Finally, just before we go, I want to talk about decorations and desk decorations and room decorations and what you can do in order to make it feel better. I think that you should try and get the majority when you're there, because then you know what fits, what it's like. These are plants, sort of smells, so fragrances, like Yankee candlesticks and bits like that. Posters, obviously don't use blue tack. You best take cork boards, and photos and stick them on wardrobes where blue tack isn't going to leave a mark. Once you do that, you can then really start to make it yourself. Fairy lights as well. You can use all that, take them all there, put them up, make the room feel yours, and then you can start to move around the house. I hope this has been useful. Sorry it's been a bit everywhere. If you do want more information, head to our blog. I have bullet pointed everything for you that you are going to need in your first year. So please go there, have a look, make sure you get your list sorted, and if you need me, just comment below and I'll always reply. Thank you.